Hey guys, today we'll be doing this neon slide map. Okay, it just lagged out. Alright guys, here we go. Oh geez, oh okay. I thought I was gonna die. Oh wait, what? Oh look at, oh my god. Yo, this is so cool. Oh my god. Never mind, not as cool as I thought. Kinda changed my mind a little. Alright, so now I know. Never mind. I don't know yet. No, now I don't know. Nope. Alright, now I know how to not die. It's called not dying and having actual... It's like... Never mind. Oh, jeez. It's just common... Wait! What? How'd that miss? Are you kidding me? Did I have to frick or something? Alright, next level. Alright. Okay, we got a bounce pad over... Oh. Alright, we gotta... Oh, frick, what the frick? Oh my god. Oh my god, what the heck? What'd I do wrong? Are you freaking kidding me? Alright, next level. Okay, now it's yellow. No! Alright, next level. Oh, jeez. Oh! No!